Good day, my name is Lawrence Albert P. Padugdog. I'm from Inablangan, Baganga, Davao Oriental, in the Philippines. I am currently studying for a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management at Davao Oriental State University, where I started in August 2021. I chose this course because I have a passion for hospitality and believe that good communication and service skills are essential in this field. I have some experience in the hospitality industry at Hannes Hotel in Mati City. I work as a waiter, serving food and drinks, setting up tables, and maintaining cleanliness. I also gained experience at Langoyon Beach Resort during a strategic planning event where I did serve guests, help with dishwashing, and keep the kitchen area clean. One of my significant experiences was working at Langoyon Beach Resort, where I was involved in industry exposure activities during the strategic planning of Motis Claros Construction Company. This experience taught me the importance of teamwork, customer service, and maintaining high standards in the hospitality industry. I am applying for an internship in the food and beverage or housekeeping department because I want to learn from a new work environment and show my passion for hospitality. My background in hospitality management and my work experiences make me a good fit for these positions. I believe this internship will provide me with valuable international exposure and enhance my skills, which will be beneficial to my future career in the hospitality industry. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to contributing to and learning from your team.